How is the length of the side of a square related to its area and perimeter? The diagram shows the first 4 squares stacked on top of each other with their upper left-hand corner lined up. So there's 4 squares just shoved into the corner. The length of one of the sides of the smallest square is 1 foot. So they've done that part of the table for you. For the area of a 2 foot by 2 foot square, it would be 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. This has a side length of 2, but there are 4 sides, so its perimeter is 8. If we had a 3 by 3 square, its area would be 9. It would have a side length of 3 on all 4 sides, which would give us a perimeter of 12. A 6-sided square, or 6-long square, has a 6 by 6, which means its area is 36. It has 4 sides that are each 6 long for a perimeter of 24 feet. 7 by 7 is 49 square feet. Each side is 7, and there are 4 sides, so we get 28 feet for the perimeter. You might start to recognize a pattern. Okay, for n, if the side length is n, we would multiply n by n. Another way of multiplying or of representing the number multiplied by itself is n squared. A side length multiplied by 4 could also be written as 4n. In B, it says, which numerical value is greater, the area or the perimeter? So which values are bigger, these for the area or these for the perimeter? And you'll notice that the perimeter is bigger until we get to 16, and then the area is bigger after that. So for sides smaller than 4, the perimeter is bigger. But for, I'm going to write it over here on the side because I don't have enough room. For sides bigger than 4, the area is larger. When the side is equal to 4, they have the same perimeter and area. Number 2. This drawing shows a school pool. The walkway around the pool needs a special non-skid strips installed, but only at the edge of the pool and the outer edge of the walkway. So they need the strips to go around the pool and around the walkway. Those are perimeters. So it says, find the length of non-skid strips that's needed for the job. So the perimeter of the pool, don't forget the other 2 sides. 50 and 50 make 100, and 15 and 15 make 30. And then the perimeter of the walkway, so 90 and 90 is 180, 25 and 25 is 50, 180 and 50 makes 230. So altogether that is 360 meters. for part A. B says the non-skid strips are sold in rolls of 50. How many rolls need to be purchased for the job? So we're going to split it into 50, into parts that are sized 50. So how many sets of 50 do we need? Well, 50 fits into 300 6 times, and then 367 times, which leaves us with 10 left over. Bring down a 0, and it will fit in there twice. Do you think we can buy part of a roll? We will need to purchase 8 rolls. We have to buy enough to cover that extra part, that extra 0.2 right here. So we're going to purchase 8 rolls to complete the job.